Hey guys, we're back in school, and
Let me see.
shut up. We can't
He's videoing.
subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I'm in school right now. I'm in
How the flip do you do that?
Cause I'm a master.
Can you show me?
No, I have to airdrop you something, and I'm not doing that. No, I said I'm not. Yes, that wasn't because Emma and you told on me. So I'm no, I'm keep it right there. Sorry guys, I just had to move my thing around. But I don't know what to get on. What do we get on?
I'm not telling you. Spectrum reading.
Oh.
Just do it.
Okay,
Just
bro.
turn your volume down.
I have to get on Spectrum Reading, wherever the frick that. Hey. Hey, what's the new one called?
A friendly hike. Friendly hike. Oh, just do it. I won't tell you.
Yeah, that's not what I'm going to do though. Bro, I can't. I'm trying to get on.
Can't you see that's what I'm on? Actually, I am.
Hey, the reason it wouldn't pop up, I renamed it a ball, LOL. Those guys can still see me, but I can't see myself. Yeah, I haven't done any of this.
Me.
Okay, so get it. I'm not telling you. It's a secret thing that only me and Will know.
Listen.
Stop. Well, how about you, Mr. Descott? I'm not. Normally, I would show stuff around.
The green lights on. So hot.
That was because I had photo booths on. And why are you going to tell? I brought you money. I guess you don't want it. Yes, you did. Well, you're going to tell on me, so. Because it was my birthday the other day and I got $10. How much is it? No, that's $3. Make it $3 and tomorrow I'll bring it. Wait, hold on.
It's actually $4.
Nope, I didn't bring it. Frick! My mama didn't put my wallet. Yeah, my mama didn't pack me my wallet. Well, I'll bring it tomorrow. No, you have to look it up on I don't know. It's called Screen Recorder Launcher. I don't know. I forgot. Nope. That's something else. So, I'm going to. I'll be able to live stream in a minute.
Alright, and I'm going to tell you this too. These are going to, okay, you have your spectrum readings due, right? So we just met with Miss Stewart and talked about something. Your test, you know, your test is in 3 weeks. This is what's going to happen. I was telling her that I'm a little worried because I feel like a lot of you are depending on the computer to read to you. Just think, when you do Moby Max, how many times do you just click on it and let it read to you? Raise your hand if you do it. Okay. Now, on Scan Contest, it's not going to happen. You won't be able to do that. So this is what I'm asking you to do. And on Myon, it reads to you too.
I can't. You have to look it up on You have to look it up. You just have to look it up. I don't know. Exactly. Come on, how many do you have done? I'm talking about how many of these. All I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to know. What does 18 mean? It doesn't say in the passage. Oh. Atlanta, Dallas? Atlanta, Dallas? Is that what you said? Texas. Atlanta, Texas. Oh. Atlanta, Texas. What does ME mean? Miami. No, never mind. Don't believe me. Virginia. Okay, Miami. What does it mean? Mexico. You're just gonna tell him all the answers. That's so cheap. So yeah, and I'm still recording it. So this is gonna be. This is probably gonna be the longest video I've ever had.
Lowest grade is 98.
No.
Lowest grade is 98. Can you please guess
So,
what I'll put?
this is gonna be one of my longest videos. Just tell her, because I have no clue what it is. No, that's not what it's actually called. Let me tell you. No, it's not. It's called Screencast O-Matic. What? It's called. Omatic.com. Screen a minus sign. 0 minus 0 0, and then another minus, and then no 1. Yes. Bookmark it. Bookmark it. You know, there's a different way to bookmark it. Command D.
Is it screen minus O minus Matic? Wait, you have to pay?
No. Just hit not recording.
Got it. I'm on one. You got it.
Yep. There, now you can record, but you have to have a YouTube channel to post. You can't post unless you have a YouTube.
You can't post it. I'm at the silence.
Bro, I need to know how long this video is. I've been videoing for 14 minutes straight. So this is going to be one of my longest videos.